Neo, do you want to count in Arabic?
Yes.
Okay. So what is this number?
Wahed.
What?
Wahed.
Shout it. Wahed.
Wahed.
That's what number?
Wahed.
Wahed. And this one?
Itnan. Itnan.
Itnan. How about this one?
Talata.
What's that?
Talata.
What number is talata?
Si.
3. How about this one?
Arba.
Arba. What number is arba?
4.
And this one?
Kamsa.
Kamsa is number.
5.
And this one?
Sita.
Sita is number.
6.
And this one?
Saba.
What number is Saba?
7.
And this one?
Tamanya.
Tamanya is number?
8. It's upside down like number 7.
Yeah, but it's upside down. And how about this one?
Tisa.
Tisa is number.
9.
And how about this one? Ash.
Asaya.
Ashara is number
10.
10. You have your Arabic number.
Wahed.
Let's remove the letters.
Dedas.
I will remove the letters. Wahed, you have Wahed?
With Itnan.
Okay, Itnan.
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 Talata.
Talata.
Talata. Alpha. Kamsa.
Sita.
Sita. What is 7?
Saba.
Saba. Tamanya.
Tamanya.
Tisa. What is 10? What is 10? What is 10?
Ashara.
Asaya. Yay!
Yay!
What is 10?
That is 10. Can you count na? Wahed. What's that? Wow! You organized them. Very good. Oh, count. Where's Wahed? Give me that. Where's Wahed? Wahed. Say it.
Wahed.
Next is?
Itnan.
Next is?
Talata.
Next is?
Alba.
Next is?
Kamsa.
Next is?
Sita.
Next is?
Belgium.
What's next to Sita? Sa.
Saba.
And what's next to Saba?
It's upside
Now it's number?
Tamanya.
Tamanya. What's next to Tamanya?
Tamanya.
There's two Tamanya. No, it's Zaba. What's next to Tamanya?
Tisa.
Tisa. And what's next to Tisa?
Asaya.
Ashara. Very good.